Hey there, future scholars! Today let's talk about why the University of Oxford is the best choice for your future. If you're dreaming big, Oxford might just be the place where those dreams come true. First off, the history. Oxford has been around for nearly 1,000 years. That's right, 1,000. It's the oldest university in the English-speaking world and has a rich tradition of excellence. Imagine being part of a legacy that includes brilliant minds like Stephen Hawking, J.R.R. Tolkien, and even prime ministers. Now let's dive into courses. Oxford offers a mind-boggling range of courses, from humanities to sciences, and everything in between. Whether you're into ancient history or cutting-edge technology, there's something here for you. When it comes to staff, Oxford boasts some of the most distinguished professors and lecturers in the world. You'll be learning from people who are not just experts in their fields, but also passionate educators. Academic excellence? Oh, absolutely. Oxford consistently ranks among the top universities globally. Its rigorous academic programs ensure that you'll be challenged and inspired. And let's not forget its place in the world. Oxford isn't just a university, it's a global community. You'll meet students from all corners of the earth, giving you a truly international perspective. When it comes to research, Oxford is at the forefront. From groundbreaking medical discoveries to pioneering environmental studies, the research coming out of Oxford is changing the world. So, what are the benefits and advantages? Besides an unparalleled education, studying at Oxford opens doors. The network of alumni and the prestige of an Oxford degree can significantly boost your career prospects. Worried about the cost? Don't be. Oxford offers a variety of scholarships to help ease the financial burden. There are options for students from various backgrounds, so don't let money be a barrier to your dreams. So if you're looking for a university that offers history, a wide range of courses, top-notch staff, academic excellence, a global community, cutting-edge research, and amazing benefits, Oxford should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights from Degree Plus. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.